How to use screen mirror on Android with DrFone. Part 1. Connect Android device with Wi-Fi. Step 1. Install DrFone link. Before you get started with the process, install DrFone link to ensure your connection. Click My Device, then Wireless, and scan the QR code. This will install the DrFone link app. Step 2. Access screen mirror function on DrFone. Make sure to connect your Android device to Wi-Fi by scanning the QR code, which will either install DrFone link on your Android or establish a connection. Once done, continue to the screen mirror section on the left panel. Here, you are advised to scan the QR code for mirroring the Android to the computer. Keep both devices connected to the same network for a successful mirroring connection. Step 3. Mirror Android to PC successfully. As the device is mirrored to the platform, you can always disconnect the entire process by navigating to the End Mirroring button on DrFone's platform. Step 4. Scan the QR code on the phone to establish a wireless connection. Similarly, on your Android device, you will be presented a screen where you have to tap on the Scan QR code button on the top right. Redirect to scan the QR code and establish a successful connection. Step 5. Receive prompt on Android for connection. Once the device is mirrored successfully, a button showing Screen Mirroring is in progress will be present on your Android screen. Step 6. Use the mirrored Android screen on DrFone. On your computer screen, find the mirrored screen of your Android. Here, change orientation with the Rotate button. Take a snapshot of the screen with the Screenshot button. You can turn on the speaker with the Audio button. And end the entire process with the Disconnect button. DrFone allows you to control the entire screen of your Android on the PC with its screen mirroring service. To control Android on a PC, you can perform the process with your keyboard and mouse. Make the perfect use of your Android screen by mirroring it with Wondershare DrFone. Part 2. Connect with USB cable. Step 1. Install DrFone link. Before you get started with the process, install DrFone link to ensure your connection. Note: if you have not installed DrFone link, a checklist will appear on your phone once you connect your device with the cable. Simply tick the DrFone link choice, and this app will be installed automatically. Step 2. Connect Android with cable and start mirroring. Connect your Android to the computer through a USB cable. On a successful recognition of your Android device, continue to screen mirror in the left panel to open a new screen. Step 3. Successfully mirror Android to PC. A progress bar comes on display, showing the establishment of the connection. Once the device is mirrored to the PC, you can continue with the other process. However, to end it, look for the End Mirroring button on the platform and click on it. Step 4. Operation of DrFone link on Android. On your Android, you will be automatically led to the DrFone link screen showing the successful collaboration with your PC. Step 5. View mirrored screen on the PC. The screen of your Android automatically appears on the computer, with a complete system of controlling, recording, and managing it.